Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Following that, scroll all the way down again and tap on the Privacy section. Now select Permission Manager. Finally, you can click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage. In my case, location. Then select one of your apps. I will go with Chrome and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so when I click, in this case I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. So when I go back, as you can see, Chrome no longer have access to my device's location. If you wish to, you can always pick any feature. And then look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go with Gmail. Now, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Gmail Permissions and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!